Voice control, Alexa and Google Assistant compatible, requires a Z-Wave certified hub. Works with the following Z-Wave certified hubs: SmartThings, Ring Alarm, Wink, ADT Pulse, ADT Command, Trane, Vivian, Nexia, Honeywell, Seer, Harmony Home Hub Extender, Vera and more. Advanced Design 2nd generation model. Improved components reduced the housing depth by up to 20% compared to previous Z-Wave models and eliminated the need for heat tabs. QuickFit enhancements are the ideal smart solution for older-style switchboxes, multi-gang configurations or any other application with limited space. Auto-line load sensing terminals support fast and easy installation by detecting line and load wires and configuring the dimmer accordingly. Dual ground ports, which are offset to avoid switchbox mounting screws, support daisy chaining in multi-switch setups. Versatile applications. Control the device remotely with your smartphone and voice commands when connected to a compatible hub, or enjoy manual on/off operation from the switch. Home automation is simple through custom scenes, personalized scheduling and convenient alerts. The smart device operates perfectly on its own or seamlessly integrates into multi-switch setups with required add-on switches. Models 12723, 12728, 46199, or 46200. Up to 4 add-on switches can be connected to the same device. Full home coverage. Z-Wave Plus works with all previous Z-Wave generations to allow continued expansion of your home automation network. The switch is capable of controlling indoor or outdoor fixtures for whole home automation and repeats your Z-Wave signal from your hub or other devices to extend your range by up to 150 feet. Extended signal range increases your home automation coverage to enhance your control. Easy installation. Requires indoor in-wall installation with hardwired connections. Neutral wire required. Includes white and light almond paddles, wall plate not included. Works with all LED, CFL, incandescent and halogen bulbs as well as other devices. Operating temperature range 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Top reviews from the United States. Warning: if you start using these devices, you may become quickly addicted. These are not inexpensive, so this can be quite a hit to your wallet. Quitting can be very difficult. Use with caution. I started with a couple to turn on my outside lights and an indoor light. I now have these babies on 3 plugs, 3 fans, 14 light switches, and 19 add-on switches. This week, I just bought another 2 light switches and 3 add-ons. I am hopelessly addicted and can't quit. I really like the feel of the switches. They are relatively easy to install. I was the original electrician for the home. These are really easy when the circuits have 3-way or 4-way switches. Needing a neutral wire is nice because they also act as nightlight when needed. I have to use the old Samsung SmartThings app to control when the light is on. With the neutral wire, there is always power at the main switch, so the Z-Wave network remains strong and active. Combining these switches with SmartThings and Alexa or Google Home makes controlling your lighting with your voice really easy. I also like to use these to automate lighting and even heating when I am away from home. For heating, I turn off my boiler pumps when I am away. I use forced air, controlled by Nest thermostats, to keep the house at a safe temperature. A couple of days before returning home, I restart the boiler pumps and let the radiant heat take over. When I return home, the house has warmed up nicely and I have saved a lot of energy. One other problem is that now that you have Z-Wave and the controller, you start adding new Z-Wave controlled door locks, water leak sensors, glass break sensors, and door sensors, and maybe even a siren or an alert light. Of course, you can't stop there. You will obviously want to monitor your smoke and CO2 alarms. Before you know it, you will want a full-blown security system with both professional and self-monitoring.